Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share you information regarding alkaline water. You might have seen many companies selling alkaline water and they also claim it is beneficial to our health issues. Even celebrities like Beyonce and Miranda Kerr are supporters of alkaline water. Moreover, people also claim that alkaline water helps in hydrating skin, regulating your body's pH, weight loss, and also cures cancer. Yes, a huge set of people says this. Well, how much out of it is true? Let's find out. Basically, if the pH value of any liquid is from 1 to 6, it is acidic. And if pH value is 8 to 14, it is alkaline. But the water we drink has the pH of 7, which is considered as neutral. So, in layman terms, alkaline water is water with higher pH. But make sure only pH isn't enough. It must also contain antioxidant properties or ORP, which is also known as oxidation reduction potential. Alkaline water can be either natural or artificial. The water we get from mountains and springs automatically turns itself alkaline by its collision with rocks. The mineral in rocks and other natural substances are added in water and its pH goes high up to 8 or 9. Well, the artificial process is ionization, but it is very much needed to purify the water before this ionization process. Well, to be honest, alkaline water has always been the controversial topic, where one side, the supporters, says alkaline water has several properties like anti-aging, detoxification, immunity, and also cancer resistance, but there is huge set of people who also deny these health benefits. There isn't any proof yet which supports the theory of alkaline water. Scientists and researchers are still working on it and identifying if it is really helpful. They say if proportion of alkaline is increased in human body, they may lead to gastrointestinal issues or even skin issues. The only solution we find at the moment is not to follow the trend blindly. If your doctor suggests alkaline water, go for a natural alkaline water with pH of 8 or 9, but make sure to consume it in a limit. After all, anything in excess might harm your body. However, natural water is always best and it is enough to keep you hydrated. It is always better to avoid such trends till it is proven. I hope you guys enjoyed the content. Please subscribe and stay connected.